WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
It's been warm all week long, just like summer, mid-80s for the last few days. Now it's going to be much cooler on your Saturday, probably Sunday too. Extensive cloud cover. We are lowering temperatures now into the 60s for Saturday, Sunday 68. Hope for a few breaks out there to boost temperatures a little bit, but it's likely going to be a pretty gray weekend, but not too terribly active. 80 degrees right now in Vernon at Durham's Pharmacy. Not too shabby here. We've had a little bit of rain in West Alabama, but pretty dry now. Louisville, Mississippi, 86 degrees. Looking back to the west at some of those showers and storms budding on up. Dry in Columbus, calm winds, 78 degrees. But things are a little bit different here in downtown Tupelo right now. There is the Tupelo Fair. Currently 72 degrees. We topped out at 86 earlier, and it is just coming on down in Lee County right now. So Tupelo, Plantersville, Shannon, Verona, you are getting socked with rain, some thunder and lightning, some breezes. And we've had some heavy rain near Pontotoc and still some very heavy rain in southeastern Pontotoc County right along Highway 41. So this is where the big bullseye of activity is right now. That will continue lifting to the northeast. And over the last 3 hours here in and around downtown Tupelo, anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain estimated. So slow down on those roads. It is just a pretty soggy evening up there right now. Additional rain showers west and southwest of Eupora down towards Atala County near Kosciuszko. And we all have the chance for some additional showers and storms later on this evening and tonight. We have more activity back to the west. We also have a cold front coming on in, so the odds of rain will be with us all evening and all night long. Right now we are in the 70s. And it looks like we will be cooling down into the low 60s and mid 60s southeast of Columbus tonight, but mid to low 50s back to the northwest near Bruce and Oxford. And tomorrow, in the wake of that cold front, folks, not really a lot of rain. Low clouds pretty much all day long. That's what we think. Low 60s, best case north, a little bit warmer farther south. And if you get down towards I-2059 and point southeast, probably more 70s and 80s, but around here, stuck underneath the low cloud deck, it will be very cool and just a bit of a dismal day. So the front comes on in tonight. Rain showers, thunder and lightning. A lot of that heavy rain is done by the time we wake up. But underneath the low clouds tomorrow, there could be some mist and drizzle. Just a bit dreary for us with a northerly breeze at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. Those clouds hold tough into Sunday, too. We're hopeful for a few breaks late Sunday, but probably pretty cloudy. Now, next week, there could be a tropical system down here trying to get into the Gulf of Mexico. A cold front coming on in, and those two features may combine to give us some higher rain chances by midweek. We're not really too concerned about this tropical system actually making landfall across the northern Gulf Coast or anything, but it could develop. There's a 70% chance of development here, but some of that moisture could actually creep back on into that system midweek. So a couple of different features we're watching. The front, that tropical moisture, that could give rise to more heavy rain, some storms here by Wednesday and Thursday. Up and down is your 70 forecast. So 80s today, 60s for this weekend. As we get into early next week, the 80s return Monday and Tuesday on ahead of that next system, Wednesday, Thursday, and then we're back down into the 60s going into next weekend.